What's up, buddies? Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you're watching this video, it means that you want to make money online and you want to help your wife and family to have a very awesome quality of life, which is something very, 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 very awesome. And you should keep up, buddy. Okay, guys, let's speak about a little bit about the best way to make money online. Okay, as I told you guys before, the best way to make money online it is by promoting. You have to promote more. You gotta, how can I say, promote constantly. You have to promote. Promoting simply means that putting your product in front of your customer. You know, you have to put your product in front of your customer so that the chances of your customer to buy the product they can increase. That's how it's going to increase. You need to provide value, and you need to constantly provide value to your customer or to the marketplace, as you guys know. Okay. Or as you guys know this quote, money flows where value goes. Okay, yeah. Okay, uh, now, when it comes to providing value to the marketplace, one thing that you gotta get into consideration, it is that how can I say, it is that when you promote, you know, do not try to convince to do not try to convince your customer to buy your product. Don't try to convince your customer to buy your product. Try to inspire him or incentivize him. Okay, do not try to convince your customer to buy your product. Try to inspire him or incentivize him. What do I mean by that? Well, I do mean, like, for example, your customer, um, for example, you find a random customer, for example, on internet or something like this, okay? And then you immediately start promoting your product. Start to tell him to buy your product without knowing what his interest is, without knowing whether he liked the product or not, without knowing if he was looking for your product or not. This is what I mean by trying to convince. But incentivate or inspire is different. Your customer already has an interest in your product. He already was looking for the product. But right now you just come in and then you provide as much value as you can. You provide as much value as you can. And then how can I say, the customer started to recognize the value of the product, and then the customer recognized that the benefit of acquiring the product and increase the chances of buying the product. And that's what something that you gotta do. So you have to, how can I say, you have to do this kind of stuff. A good example of this, it is that guy. What is his name? I told you guys before. His name is how can I say? Jace Enkamp, the Karate Kid. Go see his channel. His channel has a lot of followers. And has a lot of followers. Lately has gained a lot of followers. And then when he got to, I think is the number 100,000 followers or something like this. When he got to that number, I think maybe it's more than that. When he got to that specific number, then he wrote one thing on his YouTube channel. He wrote, "I never asked people to subscribe. I never asked people to like, or I never asked people to be involved. But people always subscribe to the channel. And why did they subscribe to the channel? Because good content speak for itself. you know, because on this channel, you know, it always provides very awesome content about karate, about martial arts in general sometimes, you know. And because of his content is so powerful, so good, you know, what what did that make, you know? It just made his channel grow, you know. And that is exactly what you should be doing, you know. You should provide content, 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 most all the time content, you know, content that going to the content that going to help the customer buy your product, or content that gonna help your customer, you know, that's gonna help the life your customer with this life, his business, everything, you know. Yeah, that's what you should be doing, you know. Yeah, provide always content. Okay. Okay, guys, write your comments below and write your comments below and check the link below so that you can see this program that's gonna teach you how to make money online in a very effective way. Okay, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this video because it's a new video and new channel, and we're gonna speak more about this thing. Okay, but remember, try to inspire your customer to buy your product. Do not try to convince him to buy your product. Okay? Never try to convince nobody to buy your product. Inspire them, you know? Motivate them, inspire them, you know? Give them, how can I say, remember of their reasons why they should buy the product. Okay, guys? Okay. Write your comments below. We'll speak later. Ciao.